Do you know that you can now create long documentary videos like this using AI? And do you know it's completely free? And you can even do this using just your mobile phone. With this method, you can create long AI documentary videos to post on YouTube and grow your channel faster than ever. So we will begin by using ChatGPT to generate our documentary script. First, we'll ask ChatGPT to create a short, engaging story, just for the sake of this video, a 60-second documentary on the topic History of the Roman Empire. And just like that, our 60-second AI documentary script is ready. Next, we'll ask ChatGPT to convert that script into scene-wise segments. For each scene, we'll generate realistic 3D text-to-video prompts. And remember, use miniature landscape growth animation only when the scene requires a location buildup. Otherwise, stick to normal 3D cinematic visuals. You can check the comments section for the prompt. As you can see, all our scene-wise prompts are now ready. Let's start creating the first scene. We've already copied the prompt for scene 1. Now, open Grok by simply typing Grok on your search browser. And you can easily sign in using your Google Mail. Switch the mode from image to video. Choose your desired aspect ratio. In this case, I'll choose 16:9, which is the default aspect ratio for YouTube. Paste the prompt and hit send. Grok will generate your 3D growing animation clip for scene 1. And boom, just like that, scene 1 is ready. Let's preview it and download the clip. Now repeat the same for scene 2. Copy the prompt, paste it inside Grok, generate the clip, and boom, scene 2 is ready. Repeat this process for all scenes. Once all scenes are ready, it's time for the voiceover. For that, we'll use Google AI Studio. Select single speaker, then paste the full video script, then edit it a little. Select any voice you like. In this case, I'll use Oris. I'll type in this prompt for the perfect documentary tone and hit play to generate, then wait till it finishes generating, then I'll preview my voiceover, then download it from here. Now, once your voiceover and clips are ready, import everything into your favorite video editor. In this case, I'll be using CapCut. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to use it, I've created a step-by-step tutorial on how to use it. Click on New Project, then import all your clips. Then drag all your clips onto the timeline one by one. Next, adjust the speed of each clip. Speed up or slow down to perfectly sync with your narration. You can also add transition. In this case, since it is a documentary, I'll add this one, black fade. If you like, you can add captions, but I am not going to do that for my video. Then you can also add subtle background sound. Reduce the volume, then cut it to the perfect place, then cut it there and add a fade out. And finally, click on Export. And just like that, your AI 3D documentary video is complete. Let's preview the final output.
Over 2,000 years ago, a small city on the banks of the Tiber River changed the world forever. Founded in 753 BC, Rome grew from a village into a powerful republic. Through discipline, strategy, and unstoppable legions, Rome conquered the Mediterranean, spreading roads, laws, and language across continents.
You can watch the full video using the link in the description. And if you watch till here, please hit the like button and support me by subscribing to the channel. Also, don't miss my next video. It's a must-watch.